Welcome to the second section, the theory section. In this video, I want to give you a short overview of the next 4 lessons. Starting with the motivation, also to convince you to use captions. I'll introduce you to the main benefits of captions. These include, for example, accessible learning, cost savings, but also marketing-related reasons. In the following video, I discuss the difference between subtitles and captions. In this lesson, I also distinguish between open captions and closed captions. The advantages of both variants are worked out and illustrated with examples. In the next lesson, I will introduce you to some of the most important subtitle formats in a comparison. I will use a small example and will go into more detail about why you should be familiar with different formats. But don't panic, most of the work will be done by the tools I'll introduce you in sections 5 and 7. In the last video of this section, I would like to introduce you to live captioning. Live captioning is the process of creating subtitles live during a TV show or broadcast and feeding them into the TV stream. In this bonus lesson, you will learn how this works exactly and why live captioning is used at all. I wish you lots of fun and success with the next 4 lessons. Always remember that you can also contact me directly if you have any questions or feedback.